Many car owners give up after seeing the quotation, or they are forced to replace the entire assembly at a high cost. In fact, we offer more competitive prices in most cases. We supply cost-effective air struts and air spring parts, compatible with Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Land Rover, Porsche, and other models. They can fix problems such as vehicle sagging and air leakage. Direct supply from the original factory. We have served customers in Vietnam, Malaysia, Chile, and Indonesia with 1 to 3 years of warranty. Ample stock available. We are a manufacturer from China. We support steady cross-border delivery if you can wait. We cater to bulk orders from local repair shops and auto parts dealers in Canada. We also serve individual car owners overseas. If you are looking for a cost-effective auto parts supplier, feel free to contact us for a quote.